Hey, 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 it's me again, Shay of Reed's Review, where we're living, loving Jesus, smelling fabulous, all while saving a dime. I wanted to jump back on here real quickly and do a first impression unboxing. I have taken it out of the actual box that it was mailed in as two quick fragrances, one for women, one for men. All right, so here is the first, and that says Afeef, and this is from the house of Lattafa. Let's see here. And I did find this or order this from Lattafa site, from actual Lattafa. Well, that part is kind of messed up, but hey, that's the packaging. Let's see how we. Oh, okay. Oh, y'all, this that's metal. Thought it was some thick cardboard, but no, no, no. That is metal, and this is how it. Ooh. Yes. Now this bottle, y'all already know, Lattafa can go over the top. And this right here, this is about like that her confessions bottle. This is a lot. Let's see. All right. Okay. It's not as heavy as I thought it might be. Um, that's it, guys. All right. All right. Oh, this is lightweight. It looks like that was heavy, but this is lightweight. I think it's plastic, but it has some nice embellishment. And you see, it's two peacocks. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, do what you do, Lattafa. All right. Let's spray it. See how this goes. Get it started over here. Okay. I did hear that this was unisex, or may have said it on the website, and I see why it probably is considered unisex. It's fruity, but has a little spice. I probably think I'm just off of first impression. I think I can see this being on a woman more so than a man. That's the first impression. That's my thought. All right, Afeef by Lattafa. Listen, this is gonna take too much room. Goodness. Yes, indeed. Oh my goodness. Well, I'll find a spot for it. That might work. Y'all can't see. Yeah. That I don't know. Anyway, so that is that one. And then I decided to pick up the new um Asad, the new flanker from the Asad line of Lattafa. And we'll see. Oh, same type of box as the others. Nice brown. Okay. This is Asad Bourbon, or Bourbon Asad by Lattafa. And there's a holographic sticker. That embellishment, it seemed like it might be a little different from the other boxes. I'm not sure. I have to look at them. But all right, let's see here. Okay, here we go. That's nice, smooth brown. I kind of like that color. Okay, this is not necessarily. I was thinking this was gonna be silver. This is like a smoky gray trim or embellishment. Anyway, it's nice to me. Just like the other, these bottles are just like the Yara line. Only this fragrance is for men. Okay, let's. I didn't take the other. Let's see. We'll just spray the box. That was a decent atomizer. That's nice. It's a nice men's fragrance. It kind of reminds me of a little bit, not a dupe of, not drawing its inspiration of, but there's something in the opening reminds me of Carolina Herrera's Bad Boy. And to me, I think I'm getting a maybe like a Paco Rabanne cologne fragrance. Or maybe YSL. Why? I don't know why I feel like I seems like I'm getting a hint of one of those. It's nice. I do get a little booziness, a little spiciness with just a touch of sweet. Anyway, that is it, guys. That was the two that I wanted to kind of share the first impression with you guys. And of course, I'll get my husband wearing this, and we'll see what he says. I know he's not gonna say much. He doesn't give me a lot of feedback. My son will, but um, yeah. Anyway, we'll see. All right, you guys have a good night, and I am going to get off of here and probably get my little self ready for bed because tomorrow I have grands. I'll be babysitting them for a couple of hours, so I need all the rest. I need to rest up for them. If you have grandkids, you know exactly what I mean. But I love them to death. And anyway, I look forward to coming back on here and chatting and talking with you guys about fragrances again soon. Okay. Remember, only what you do for Christ will last. You guys have a lovely, lovely night.